New York Water Damage Services showed up within the time frame given and performed an amazing cleanup job. Thank you for a fine job.
Service was prompt, workers were thorough and careful. No odor remains. New York Water Damage Services did a great job. Thumbs up!
Your technicians were cheerful, friendly and professional in the face of a daunting task. They worked really hard and they were absolutely terrific. They gave good attention to detail and they kept me informed all day. I appreciate them very much.